In this short, I'm going to give you an apartment tour because we are working here in San Jose as digital nomads. So let's go and check it out. So Roseanne is still working. So she's launching a new product, so that's awesome. So she likes to work over here. I like to work over here. Sometimes we switch. Here we have the balcony, the beautiful view of the city. Let's go and check it out straight away. Absolutely phenomenal. Somewhere there is the soccer stadium of Costa Rica. So there. So we have the kitchen over here. Very beautiful modern kitchen, electric cooking place. We have everything we need. Look also how beautiful this wall and painting is, and all the green and the lights. So Roseanne likes to go live with this background, so that's definitely a big plus. This is how the bathroom looks like. Modern, perfect, beautiful shower, nice hot water, because here in San Jose it's a little bit more chilly. Big size fridge. It's more chilly than like in Puerto Viejo and other places. So here's the bed, and check out the view from our bedroom. Can you see it? Yeah. So, and yeah, so this is a small tour of the apartment. I hope you like it. If you want to know more about the digital nomad life here in Costa Rica, so I'm inviting you to subscribe, follow, and comment below. What is your favorite place in Costa Rica as a digital nomad? This is the first time staying as a digital nomad in San Jose, and if you want to know why we did it, we chose San Jose instead of Puerto Viejo or Tamarindo or Santa Teresa, any other of the places that I've been. Yeah, I'm inviting you to follow, and I will tell you more in the future. See you around. Cheers!